Friends, this is Poonappareddy Hari Prasad. I am now to talk to you on a subject. The title of the subject is 86,400. The tagline is Planning for Success. 86,400 Planning for Success. This is the title today for discussion. This is very important in life. You need to observe this very carefully. Plan for today. Your success entirely depends on how well you plan. A political leader from Prakasam district in Andhra Pradesh planned a murder of a VR College Nellore law student who belongs to a great political family in Vijayawada at a village near Ungol. The murder plan was properly executed. Today, you will find the statue of that young law student at the same place where he was murdered. Planning for such a dirty, notorious act was successful. For good things, why don't you plan well in advance for your own success and happiness? Here you need to understand success and happiness. Success and happiness should be together. Success, happiness should be always together. You should not sever them. You should not separate them. Time and again, I used to exhort the people in my seminars that success means success plus happiness. Success minus happiness is nothing. Happiness minus success is nothing. Both should be together all the time. Success plus happiness should be always together. This means more money, no family, has no life at all. More people have to follow success and happiness together. Great success, no family, no life at all. Great happiness, no family, no life at all. So much money, no family, no life at all. That is why success and happiness always should be together. More money, no family, has no life at all. I already told you. More family with no money is no life at all. That is why success and happiness are to be earned by all the human beings in the world. Okay? Life is a complete thing. Many people drift from day one to another day without a plan. I offer an overall plan in this lecture, like having the blueprint for house plan. To construct a house, you need to have a blueprint. In the same way, for the life also, blueprint required. Day in and day out without a plan, no use at all. I offer a plan, life plan now. Just as a builder has set a program for each day, you must also prepare a schedule for each day of your life. Always do this the night before, and when the day is over, a quick check before going to bed will show you what measure of success you have achieved and plan for tomorrow. Okay? Horses wear blinkers or eye screens to prevent them from being distracted by movements of vehicles on the road. Horse wear blinkers, leather screens attached to a horse for not going sideways. You also wear blinkers in order to focus your attention on the work of today. Today is ours. Today is made of 1440 minutes or 86,400 seconds. What is 86,400 seconds? 86,400 means, in the topic of this lecture, in the title of this lecture is, a day has 86,400 seconds. In these 86,400 seconds, how you have to plan your life? You have to plan in advance. For tomorrow you plan today. That is the way how you have to plan for your success. Then only success be yours. Okay? Now friends, I will narrate a clock story. Story. 2 clocks are there. Calculating at the rate of 2 ticks per second, the poor clock realized that it would tick 1,72,800 ticks per day, and the staggering of 63 crores 7,20,000 ticks in 10 years. Yet this thought, it collapsed from nervous exhaustion. Then the godfather clock, the other clock, the godfather clock on the wall opposite whispered, "Don't be a fool." What grandfather clock said? Don't be a fool. All you have to do is tick only 1 tick at a time. At once, that clock received and lived for 100 years. The other clock took the advice of the grandfather clock, did the same thing, 1 tick per second, and it lived for 100 years. Apply this story when you begin to lose courage at the thought of the immense task ahead of you. All your jobs are like the job of the clock. A lot of clicks, but only one at a time. One at a time. One at a time. Okay. Budget your time. You need to budget your time. Make extra time by proper planning and cutting down on the waste. Spend time like money. When you wait for someone, use this period of relaxing body or do exercises. To relax means to relieve tension. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad. You will become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.